I'm not saying she's guilty or innocent. I'm saying what they've proven so far, and that I am not impressed with the way that they have put on the case so far. And here's the thing. It's not the defense's responsibility to show an alternative suspect. All the defense has to do is provide enough doubt, just a reasonable amount of doubt, that it could have possibly not been her, to make the jury go, I don't believe the prosecution showed it. And I'm sitting here going, well, they used solo cups to pick up evidence. That's questionable for me. He was allegedly in the snow at the time that everybody left, and nobody is talking about seeing anything in the snow. It is super suspect that the homeowner and one other person miraculously got rid of their phones the day before a preservation order was issued. The alleged "I hit him" statement is in nobody's reports. There's all these super early morning phone calls that nobody can account for and why they happened and what was going on. It is questionable that you have open containers of blood, solo cups, next to the vehicle. I also think it's going to give the jury doubt that the dog was rehomed not even 3 months after the incident. The house was sold, and he retired all pretty close to following this incident. They never looked into the escape, which is a same body style of the car. There is now conflicting testimonies about who left when. I am also curious as to the circumstances of Caitlin Albert's boyfriend going home to get rest before he has to help plow because he was on call, and then suddenly it's an emergency that she leave the house that night. That gives me pause. So there is a lot still to come. I hope that there is something in the expert testimony that makes it seem like this is why they charged it, because as somebody who worked in criminal law for like 8 years, reviewing what I've seen so far, I don't know how it's charged. So hopefully there's something in that expert testimony that is the aha moment. That Lexus is a new enough vehicle that it contains so much data that I'd be surprised if they weren't able to pinpoint whether she was in the area or not. I also think that if she made contact with something, that vehicle was new enough that should be in the system. But who knows? Hopefully they bring some kind of expert for that as well. So I am not saying whether I think she is guilty or innocent. I am saying that the case that they've put on so far has left me with a lot of questions.